Hi guys, so I'm at a place called Glen, and I'm at a place called the Frandy Tree. Absolutely fantastic here. I hope you can hear me. It's a tad windy, so it's actually a bit extreme. It's about -5 at the minute, but this tree is absolutely fantastic. I'll show you it. The story behind this is it actually got struck by lightning, but this will make an absolutely fantastic composition in black and white, which I'm going to try to achieve today. Look at that tree. Look at that glen. Fantastic. It's absolutely beautiful here, even if the weather is this bad. Anyway, let's get set up, take some images, and I'll see you soon at the next location. Bye for now. Hi guys, so welcome back to the next location. I'm at a place called Pillars of Hercules, just north of Falkland. I think this place is. This is my first time here, so this is going to be like a bit of a woodland shot, and I'm honestly going to push to the top of the brow, up the top here, try and get the Falkland Hill in shot as well. But I've just seen something down here, a nice little river shot with a nice little S-bend in it, so I'm going to try and get that. Then push up to the top of the hill. So I'll see you soon. Hi guys, and welcome to Plateau Reservoir. So I'm going to bounce around here. I've seen a nice clump of ice down the bottom there. What I'm trying to achieve here is I'm going to try and get that ice framed with the sun in the background, which is over there somewhere at the minute. But I'm going to bounce around here at Plateau Reservoir and see what I can come up with. It's absolutely fantastic, I think, here. Right bang spank in the middle of Fife. Never actually been to this location before. Stunning. See you soon. So welcome to the next location. This is East Weems. I've just found a lovely composition I'm after. Above this coastline at sunset, it's absolutely fantastic. Looks like something out of Hawaii in the back of my camera. Absolutely stunning. Actually, this place here is good when the tide's in and when the tide is out. When the tide's out, You get these strange like rock formations, and it's absolutely beautiful, the colour of the rocks here. What I'll do is I'll put a picture in at the end of my little montage of the tide in and the tide out, and showing you these rock formations. They're absolutely stunning. But look at that! Isn't that spectacular for Fife? Oh, bloody cold though. Anyway, as always, see you at next location. Hi guys, and a morning from what's called the Standing Stones on Lodding Links. It is a very, very cold morning this morning. It's about -5. So what I'm trying to achieve here is going to go try and get a long exposure and some still shots. I'm sorry if my voice is a bit croaky, it's just like bloody frozen. So yeah, Lodding Links. So here we are. Camera set up nice and low, and what I'm doing is I'm bracketing at the minute, so I'm bracketing the stops of 3, so I've got a nice darkish sky, the stones lit up and the foreground all lit up. Taking 3 to 5 shots. I'm actually working on at 3 at the minute, so I'm going to jump up to 5. But honestly, these stones are massive. So you're probably asking, hey Cliff, how do you focus on your subject for landscape photography? Well, here's the thing, right? If you're using a Sony camera, you can just put it onto manual focus, and on the back of the camera it will give you a hyperfocal distance. But I actually use, and it's a lot quicker, an app called PhotoPills, and you can type in what camera you're using, what lens you're using, it will give you a hyperfocal distance. I don't really go specific to it, but it gives you that depth of field, how far you can bring on a full frame at f16, which I think will be about f11 on a normal DSLR. Obviously, I can focus anything from 2 meters onwards. So there you go. But this morning's looking quite bleak. Good morning guys, I hope you can hear me. I haven't invested in a little microphone yet, but I'm here in the Lomond Hills, and so welcome. So behind me, East Lomond, in front of me, Falkland Hill, Bishop Hill, Plateau Reservoir, and look at that for a gorgeous sunrise. So I'm going to bounce around this little ruin at the minute, see if I can get some nice shots. Obviously try and frame that in the background of it as well. But yeah, absolutely beautiful this morning. Real crisp wintry morning. Hi guys, so welcome back. I'm at Hull Reservoir, still in Fife. This composition I've got set up at the minute, I've got the foreground, I've got this nice boat here. In the background I've got Lomond Hill. I'm taking a long exposure portrait mode, 10 seconds, 1.8 ND, and it's turned out quite nicely on the back of the camera. Welcome to the next location. I'm now at Hull Reservoir, still in Fife, so just had my camera set up here. Exposure with Lomond in the background, portrait mode, 20 seconds. Looked right at the back of the camera, but we'll see when I get home. My hands have gone numb, it's that cold. It's supposed to be about -5 this morning, so I'm going to mess around. Listen guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the images at the end, and I'll see you as always at next location. See you soon.